like I am being chased. I done fell down, you know what I'm saying, y'all? This look is just giving everything. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4 and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. It's the classic Friday the 13th Spirit Halloween costume, the Camp Crystal Lake counselor that I absolutely adore. It is a classic 1980s film. If you have not seen it, with Jason, this is so cute. And y'all know how I feel about Spirit Halloween costumes. Would love for you babes to hit that like button so others can have a chance to hear a good word or see a good project through the algorithm. And excuse me, I'm a little sick as well, y'all, but this is the Camp Crystal Lake tee right here. It is actually a crop top, y'all, and I'm gonna wear it with like some cute sport like shorts. And these are the Camp Crystal Lake long socks that I have right here, y'all, and I think I'm going to wear them with some regular old Nike tennis shoes, the black and white, the panda Nikes. If you know, you know. Lovely surprise right here, y'all. My favorite necklace, which is the Freddie, I said Freddie, which is the Jason necklace. I wanted to get Freddie, y'all, and I haven't. But y'all, check out my nails. These are my Halloween nails. I finally got them done. Shout out to my little sis, y'all. And I don't know if I want to wear earrings, but if I do wear earrings, it'll be the same pearl white earrings, y'all. And then I have my clips right here with the pearls in them. I hate that it's gold and not silver, y'all, but like whatever. And then I also have this star clip that I thought was so cute that I also wore with my Bratz outfit. I look a mess, you know what I'm saying? But I have a new wig on. I actually wore this wig for Christmas, which is so cute. It is a regular synthetic wig, y'all. And it's just going to be, plain straight. But babes, this is another Spirit Halloween costume that I chose to get. I was going to be a pirate. I seen the pirate costume. And I was, sitting in Spirit thinking, like, should I do this costume? But honestly, I was just like, nah. When I seen the Crystal Lake costume, I was like, this is actually so cute. So, my throat is still kind of like somewhat hurting. It really just started hurting like today out of nowhere. Like when I was in bed sleeping, I noticed that every time I would swallow, it would kind of like feel funny. And I'm just like, ugh, not me trying to get sick. Maybe because the weather is trying to change, y'all. Because one minute it's like hot as can be, and then the next it is just like cold and windy out of nowhere. I'm really just wanting to do, a basic makeup look, give it that 70s kind of look style, 80s, or and I must say, y'all, that I actually didn't, think that I would be doing this costume. I kind of like gained a lot of weight. I'm about to like blend this in more, y'all, but I kind of like gained a lot of weight, y'all. Like I need to lose about 40 freaking pounds actually, and to get back to my regular weight or whatever. And I can't even do my costume that I wanted to do, and I can't even wear the costume that I was sewing actually, y'all. I'm gonna have to lose some pounds to be able to wear both of those costumes actually. One that I was sewing on my own, and then one that I had bought, y'all. So I basically only got about 3 looks that I will be doing, the Daphne. If you have not checked out that vlog, babes, please check it out. And then I'm doing this look, and then I do have one more last fun look, y'all. And it's crazy because I really wanted to gain weight. Like, I did, but I wasn't expecting to gain 40 pounds on, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can tell, I got a new fan right here, y'all. I gotta buy another one. I'm actually borrowing my granny's fan because mine actually went out a couple days after I actually filmed that Daphne vlog. Like, I don't know what's haunting me, but it's giving me a headache. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna say, bad, but no, I'm not even gonna wish that on myself. Because last time, y'all, I did my concealer first. My lashes first, my bottom lashes. and I had to go back and go do it again because of my concealer and go underneath it. So y'all, I'm gonna do it right this time. My makeup steps is like in so much of an organized place right now because I'm trying like new stuff at the same time. And I'm gonna do my banana powder or whatever, y'all. And I'm gonna try this new blush and I'm gonna see how it go. I'm pretty sure you babes can see it's packed on now, y'all. I want to have that 80s kind of a look, but you know, have the new. Y'all, I probably should put my banana powder first, but I'm gonna go ahead. And y'all, I'm really working on my makeup, y'all. I really wanted to do the sponge and, you know, add on my banana powder, but it really wasn't turning out like that, y'all. But I'm gonna get it one day. But yeah, whatever. Did my face. I haven't spread nothing yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes for real, for real. And this time, I think I'm really gonna mix, you know, two lovely pinks together, which are basically kind of like the same color. Yeah. It's like Rapunzel line. Babe, if you have not checked out the Friday the 13th, the 1980s version, which is the first version, babes, please check it out. It was a real good movie, like I said, and I really love Jason. I have a love for Jason. If I did not mention this, y'all, my love for Jason really goes deep because, y'all, he was actually bullied, and the kids bullied him at the Crystal Lake, which I hated, y'all. And I told y'all how I used to, you know, get bullied growing up or whatever and stuff like that, and still get bullied to this day. But it really makes you who you are as a person, and it really makes you stronger. And he really got bullied because of his deformed face, and you know, the counselors wasn't watching him at the Crystal Lake, and the kids all ganged up and actually, you know, threw him in the pool, and he drowned. He drowned and he died. I was just going to do an all push back look, but I think, y'all, I should leave a strand of hair to give it the innocent look and still somewhat pull my hair back, I guess. As y'all can see, your girl got her clips in, and you know, I want to give it that innocent kind of look. Ooh. You know, the camp counselors was actually the ones who was, you know, 19 years old and stuff like that. And I think I kind of like, you know, kind of touched that sweet, innocent style, that flirty, you know, something light actually. I'm gonna just go ahead and see what it's looking like and style myself. I totally forgot to add some black bruise marks, y'all. And I actually got a real bruise on my right leg from hitting a dang drawer, y'all. I bumped into a drawer and it really like bruised my right leg up. But anyways, y'all, I haven't paid attention to the package. I don't know if y'all can see that, but she has like some black dirt all up on her. She also had it on her legs or whatever. These are the marks, y'all. I did something slight, exactly like what she did in the spirit photograph or whatever, y'all. And I think it is so cute and cool, y'all. Y'all can tell I got on my Jason necklace, y'all. I'm going all in. I look like I am being chased. I didn't fell down. You know what I'm saying, y'all? This look is just giving everything. Y'all, this exactly is how it's looking right now. You can tell I got my black marks, and y'all, my real bruise is sitting right here. And what I actually, told y'all what I did. And this is so cute, y'all. It is really giving, y'all. I'm gonna get ready, like, put on my shoes and, like, show y'all my full outfit. Babes, this is the outfit right here, y'all. I'm sorry my mirrors, I wiped it and it got like strains on it or whatever, but this is how it's looking. Y'all can see my marks on my legs, y'all. And the crop top of the fit, y'all, let me scoot back. These are the socks and the sneakers, y'all. I think they are so cute, y'all. And this is the side view, like, totally, y'all. This is exactly how it's looking, everything, and it is really just something simple and cute. So what I will be actually wearing is the Pure Wonder this time, y'all, which is one of my favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works. And I actually have a lot of this left, y'all. So yeah. And if you are an 80s baby, you know exactly what I'm, referencing to and what this costume means. The Camp Crystal Lake was, a 1980s movie, which was the Friday the 13th. I told you about the counselors supposed to be watching over the kids and all this other type of stuff, and Jason perhaps died there, and his mom actually went on revenge there as well, y'all. I'm really gonna have to rewatch the movie to actually get details and understand more, to be exact with y'all. But y'all, I've also been watching Freddy vs. Jason as well, which is a 2003 with Kelly Rowland, y'all, which is one of my favorites. Y'all, how she died was hilarious, y'all. I just can't. But anyways, y'all, I really enjoyed this look, y'all. Don't forget to put in the comments, put a slasher, the knife emoji, if y'all think I really killed and slayed this look, y'all, because I had so much fun doing this. I really love doing special effects, y'all, and my next costume is really, really special effects, babes. Like, I'm going all in for my last look, and it's really going to be something fun, you know what I'm saying? I like to be cute, sexy, and also scary. That simple look, just straight hair, which I know in the 30s, the 40s, 50s, 60s, up to 70s, they wore like nothing but curly hair with the rollers and stuff like that, y'all. But I switched it up. Like I said, I wanted to do new edge with this look, babes, and y'all, I just love dressing up. This is my month, y'all. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, babes. Mwah.